the light's not turning on, that means the key fob battery is dead. It's not unlocking and it's not locking. So what do we do here in this situation? Well, they give you this key for a reason. So you go under here and you pop this piece off. And hopefully the alarm doesn't go off. Actually, no, it shouldn't. Oh, I just locked it. There we go. Problem solved. Like and subscribe, brother. Ah, yeah. Guess I gotta get a new battery. Oh, Dollarama. Let's go to Dollarama. Right there. So I went to Dollarama. Dollarama. And got these CR 2025 batteries. Make sure they're the same as the one in your key fob. This has to be open. And that right there is the one we need to replace. I actually just moved it a little bit and it started working again, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. But I need a knife because this isn't opening. I literally can't open this. There's more security on this than my fucking bank account. Like, what's going on here? Okay, after 4 business days, we got the battery out. And now we have to take this out. Very quick and easy. Like that. I wanted to show them this. This part goes here. It actually says the battery you need inside. Right there. And then you put the new one in, which is this one. Push it back in. Yeah, once that light comes on, that's how you know it's working. Perfect. Put this back on. Close this. And then, if you want to come outside, I can show you how to put this back on. Okay, so this little cutout part has to be at the bottom. Pull this up just to make it easier. And just pops back in. Easy. And that's how you solve a problem. Like and subscribe for more problem solving.